Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we saw that it's going to be a very good weather, so we decided to come to the beach. This is called the Ocean Beach, which is pretty cool. It's totally for free. You can come here to surf, to run, come with your bicycle, play volleyball. I'm gonna give you a fun fact about fog right here, this big line of fog. When we were in the middle of the city, there were a completely sunny day, but we started to cross a few houses and suddenly this come here, and that's how it works here in San Francisco. The weather changes so fast and with many different forms. But yeah, today we're going to enjoy the sun. So come with me to jog for a while. Okay friends, as you can see, we got again too much fog. Just check it out. Now you can see nothing. That's crazy, but good. And look, what a beautiful beach. Right buddies, it was a very short video, but a very good and enjoyable exercise. The water is so cold, but beautiful. So thank you for coming with me today. Stay tuned because we are uploading a few videos from San Francisco. If you want to come to visit here, it's a very beautiful place. So yeah, see you.